missed an important message because you forgot to send it on time? In this video, I am going to show you a game-changing iOS 18 feature that allows you to schedule text effortlessly. First thing you want to know is that the send later feature works for iMessage to iMessage conversations. If you want to schedule a text message to send at a specified time, you first want to open messages, open the iMessage to iMessage conversation that you are having, and you want to press on the plus button. In iOS 18, you will see a new feature here that is called Send Later. If you tap on that, then you can schedule the text just by tapping on the time. So for example, if we wanted to send a message tomorrow afternoon, we can just adjust the dates and we can just type our message and it would be scheduled to be sent to the recipient at that time you specified. And that is it. That is how you can schedule messages on iOS 18. It's going to be very helpful in case you are the type to forget birthdays or anniversaries and you don't want your wife or your girlfriend to get upset with you because you didn't send a happy anniversary text. You can just schedule that text and never have to worry about it. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends, like the video, comment, and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. It really helps me out. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care.